Now the very last part I want to check under tables will be the color, okay, of a cell, and then also the borders. Okay, so as you can see in my very last table code I posted, in the attributes of the table I place what? A border, which means a table border with the strength of what? 2. Okay, that's the thickness of the border and the background color in hex code. You can also do the normal RGB. Let me just do red. Okay, let me just do red here. Let me just do red. This is my first. That's the column, and that's the very last item on the column. The column header, the very last column header has this color. Okay, and then this is the second row, and this very last item on the second row has the same color with this, and this is our last row. The last item also has this color. Let's save it. So this is what we actually did, and I told you the last items were having the same color, which is kind of ash in color, both the column header with the column data. We can keep this, let me do an undo, keep the original ash color, okay, for the entire table, but change, let me just use Ghana's color. Let the header, okay, the third column header be red, the second table data should be yellow, okay, yellow, and then this should be green. I'm just trying to mix up the color. It's not really advisable to be doing a lot of colors like that, a lot of bright colors. So this is red, this is yellow, this is green. This is just to teach that you can give each cell a particular color if you wish to do so. Another way of using colors are also what? The hex code. Instead of using the red, yellow, or the green, like using the raw colors, you can also put a color code. Okay, we'll go into details when we are doing CSS on our color code. So this is a hex code. We have the RGB and the rest. Okay, so let me just save this one and then show on the screen. Okay, so this will bring us to the end of the table lesson. We are going to our 7th chapter, which is forms. Okay, we are now going to tell the browser how we are going to collect data from what? From visitors. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.